This is the intro to Long Hair Pretty Nail Show, yeah.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be using the Gershion Polygel kit. I did a review on this a couple months back that I will link down below, but this kit comes with 6 30 ml polygel tubes, dual forms, base coat and top coat, and a brush and spatula tool. And this kit is available on Amazon Prime. This is the booklet that it comes with, and it shows you detailed step-by-step instructions on how to do polygel nails. I have my natural nails here and I need to do some prep. So first I'm going to take my cuticle pusher and I'm gently push back my cuticles. This footage is sped up, but I am being gentle. And then I take the opposite end of the cuticle pusher and scrape away any of that dead skin that is on my nail plate. Next, I'm going to take the hand file that's included and I'm going to file down my nails and also lightly etch the surface of my nails. And then I'm taking some alcohol and I'm just going to wipe my nails, taking away the dust and any excess oils. So I will be using tips for this set, and these are my absolute favorite nail tips. These are the BU long stiletto tips, and I get these from Amazon also. So once I pick out my sizes, I'm going to use the IBD brush on nail glue to apply the tips. Once I have all the tips on, I am just going to trim them down with my nail clipper. And I like to trim them a little bit longer than what I want the final length to be. And then I use the hand file to clean up the shape. So after the tips are shaped, I'm going to go in with the base gel coat. And I'm going to apply this to all of my nails. So I'm just concentrating this on my natural nails. It's not necessary to apply this to the tip. And then I cure that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. So for my slip, I'm using 91% alcohol. And this is the brush tool that it comes with. It has the brush on one end and the spatula on the other. And this is the color that I'm going to use. This is the skin color. I suppose they mean nude. So I'm just going to squeeze out some and apply it to my nail. And we're just going to pat this in place. And I just love how easy the Gershion Polygel is to use. It is not super sticky and it just moves and glides where you want it to be, and it doesn't slide all over the place. So I never really know how much polygel to put on the nails. So as you can see, I had to scrape some off. After smoothing out the shape some, my cuticle area was a little flat, so I just had to add a little bit back there. Alright, so once I like that shape, I'm just going to move on to the next nail. So for the next nail, I decided to squeeze it out the tube onto the nail. I've seen Femi do this here on YouTube, and I see why, because it is super easy and I seem to squeeze out the perfect amount that I need for the nail. So after patting that in place, I went ahead and cured both of these nails for 60 seconds in my LED lamp. The polygel has hardened, it is fully cured. So I'm just gonna move on and do the rest of the nails. You don't have to cure each nail after doing it if you don't want to. The Gershion Polygel doesn't shift or move, but I'm clumsy, so I just wanted to go ahead and cure 2 nails at a time, so that's what I did. The Gershion Polygel is so easy to work with. Your brush doesn't stick to it all crazy like, and you don't need a bunch of alcohol either. Like, I only used a small amount and I was able to pat and smooth this out very easy without it, sticking and just being a mess. So Gershion really does pride themselves on making the polygel easy to use, so this is definitely beginner friendly. So after all of the nails are done and cured, I'm just going to wipe off the tacky layer with some alcohol before I get to filing. And then I'm doing my shaping and filing with the hand file. Polygel is so easy to file that you don't need a drill. So this is after the nails have been filed, shaped, and buffed. And I'm going to go in with these colors and some coffee. So this look is inspired by Kylie Jenner's Coachella nails that were done by Sean Legend on Instagram. I thought the design was so cute and I wanted to try it out. So these are the nail art brushes that I'm using. I got these from AliExpress. And I'm just gonna start by drawing a star. And then filling in the lines. Once I kind of like the shape of it, I'm just cleaning up around the star to make it extra crisp. Then once I'm satisfied with that star, I went ahead and cured that in my LED lamp so I won't mess it up. And I just repeat the same thing for all of the stars. This is after all of the stars are drawn and cured, and I'm going to be adding a little bit of bling because y'all know Evie likes some bling. So I'm applying the Poochie Snails bling gel, and this is how it looks. It has like a thick Vaseline consistency. So I just applied that all over the nail. And without curing, I'm gonna go over that with the Gershion top coat and just applying a nice even layer of that. And then I'm going to place the crystals into the wet gel. And once I like that placement, I went ahead and cured. And now I'm applying the top coat to the rest of the nails. And do my final cure in my nail lamp. Next, I'm applying this cuticle oil from the Nail Cakery. It smells so good, you guys. And this is the final look. I love the simplicity. These turned out so cute. I really like the stars. I love the shape, and I really like the color of the polygel. If you're interested in the Gershion polygel, head over to Amazon. I will leave the link down below. And I want to give a big thank you to Gershion for sponsoring this video.
This is the outro to the Long Hair Pretty Nail Show. Yeah.